So I'm not an Instagram marketing guru, but I'm a full-time content creator who posts 1 to 2 times every single day on Instagram. I currently have 18,000 followers, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to grow on Instagram, and I ain't talking no if, buts or maybes. Absolutes. Instagram. We're all using it pretty much every single day, whether it be to scroll, whether it be to post, whether it be to comment, and everyone is always looking for the best way to grow. And I can assure you that I've got proof that this is definitely the best and most fastest way to grow on Instagram in 2020. And here's some proof. In 5 days, I grew 1,000 followers on a personal account, not even a theme page or like a business or a brand. Like, that is insane on a personal account, and you would never have got them numbers, especially ever since the new Instagram algorithm. It's been really hard to grow, and this is definitely the best way to grow on Instagram. So if you came across this video, I'm sure you've watched many other videos on how to grow on Instagram, and they all talk about strategies such as like using the best set of hashtags, follow for follow, shout out for shout out, or getting reposted on other big theme pages. Yes, the combination of all these things definitely works, but nothing to the extent of this new feature on Instagram, and that is Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels are a new feature on Instagram, and how to find them, you go over to the story section and you'll see at the bottom it says Reels, and what you can do is you can upload a short and quick video. 15 seconds is the maximum amount of time. Quick drive, got a can of Rio in. So why do Reels do so well? The reason why Instagram Reels are performing so well is because they're competing against TikTok. So as you all probably know, TikTok is the highest rising social media platform at the moment. Literally everyone is going on it, everyone's switching over their platforms and going onto TikTok. So Instagram's way to try and keep people on the platform of using Instagram is to bring out the new Reel feature. So obviously Reels is pretty much exactly the same as TikTok. It's definitely Instagram's version. So what they're trying to do is promote people who are posting Reels as much as possible, push them forward in the algorithm because they want more people to spend time on Instagram. So you need to take advantage while this algorithm is still really good. It's kind of like when TikTok first started, people could post a video and they could get like 1 million views within like 2 days, which is like insane on any social media platform. So another reason why Instagram Reels perform so well, when you think of Instagram, you instantly associate it to a photography or like a photos app. Never think really of video. So that is why there's a lot less people actually posting Instagram Reels on Instagram. So it gives you more of a chance to stand out, and there's much less competition, so more chance for your video to get pushed in the algorithm in comparison to TikTok now, which is actually very saturated and it's a lot harder to grow like you could have previously. So now let's talk about what you should make your Instagram Reels on. I am currently a fashion blogger, so I'm just making Reels on anything to do with men's fashion. Here's a few examples. But honestly, it is exactly like TikTok, so make Reels on whatever you like, whatever you're interested in, and try and just like give people value from your videos, whether it be from knowledge, humor, experience, or like seeing something they've never seen before. Really doesn't matter. And another cool thing as well is, I know a lot of people care about the aesthetic of their Instagram feed, and a cool thing with Reels is they don't even have to appear on your feed. It's kind of similar to like IGTV. It is a separate section, so you can literally post these Instagram Reels without even people knowing, and you can get more people and more traffic coming to your Instagram page. However, from personal experience, I'd advise posting the Reel for, let's say, the first 3 hours on your feed. It's where it's gonna get the most engagement, and then after that, you can hide it from your feed, and then you can have your beautiful like Pinterest mood board feed back to normal. So now to tell you why Instagram Reels are the best way to grow on Instagram in 2020. Just think about it, there's only 2 ways on Instagram your posts can be shown to people who aren't following you. That is either through hashtags, which can be really hard to find the right hashtags because a lot of them can be saturated. And at the end of the day, on the top of the hashtags, they're still posting to people who have like the most followers and the best content. And then second of all is that if your content appears on the home feed, and for that to happen, you need to get loads of engagement in the first 1 hour, loads of comments, and really good hashtags. So if you don't get either of them 2, then your posts are only going to get seen by your followers, and especially with the Instagram algorithm now, your posts only get seen by like 25 to 30% of your followers. Whereas with Reels, Instagram are pushing them out, kind of similar to the algorithm of TikTok when it first started. Like, there's no algorithm, it feels like, and if it gets a few likes and it gets a few comments, they're just pushing out that content because they want more people to stay on Instagram over TikTok. So now we're going to jump over to Social Blade, which shows all the statistics for like everyone on Instagram. So as you can see from the growth rates, in August, before I posted Reels, I was only getting 341 followers a month. And then when I started in September, that flew up to 1,743 followers a month, which is like a 600% increase, which is honestly insane. And now I'm posting reels like every other day, so I'm hoping it can go even higher. And then we can look at someone else's account. This is one of my favorite fashion bloggers. He's a guy from Germany. He also has a YouTube channel. His name is BHP Dow. Don't know how I'm really not sure how you pronounce his username, but either way, he has been killing it on his Instagram reels. He's literally, his monthly average this month, he's gained 46,980 followers. 46,000, like before them reels, I didn't even have 46,000 followers in total. He's literally gained what people won't even gain in their lifetime in the space of like a couple of weeks. Like 3 weeks, he's got 46,000 followers. Like that is honestly insane. And then the second example, this is another German fashion blogger. His name is Thomas Chu. I can't pronounce his username because it's like a load of letters, but he has gained 26,130 followers in the past 30 days, whereas before that he was only gaining 1,000 followers before Reels came out. He's literally on 98k, so nearly at 100k. So honestly, you need to get on these Reels before it gets too saturated. I'm really hoping Instagram just keeps this algorithm because it's really nice to see. And if you want to see a few examples of some of the statistics on my Reels, so I've posted around like 12 in total, maybe a bit more. My newest one's on 16,300. The other ones average around 6 to 10,000. I have one here with 125k. I have one here with 32k, 48.6k, 52k, and then my massive one, which gave me them so many followers, 294,000 views. Like imagine getting that on YouTube. It'd be insane. So if you want to help support this video because it helped you out a lot, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and also to turn on that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. But yeah, I'm going to end it there, keep it nice and short and sweet. I hope you all gained a lot of value from this video, and please make sure to tag me in your Instagram Reels. My Instagram is @DomHadley_. It's where I post all my recent fits and my pickups. Let me know if you kind of like this style of video. And if you want to see more revolving around men's fashion, be sure to check out the rest of my videos. I do how-to styles, lookbooks, trip to the thrifts. I also do videos on fashion photography, ways to make money, and that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.